Chimney, hands, sing it. You know, every day, simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings, your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessing.
Hey guys, and good morning. I hope you guys had a blessed week. I am so sorry I haven't vlogged all week. I just been so busy trying to get things done, running around for school. But I just so wanted to come by and say, yeah, I'm gonna be making breakfast. So hey, I figured I'll do some breakfast with you guys and yeah, see what's up. We're not doing that much today because, as you can see, well, outside sucks. It's not gloomy. I'm just actually here watching Jamaica Good Life. It's a new channel. It's a channel I found a few days ago, maybe a couple of weeks ago actually, and I've been watching it, and yeah, I really like it. I'm currently doing another video here. So I got my wig on. I just finished washed it and I'm customizing it. So pretty much I am multitasking today, but I figure I will bring you guys along with me because I am about to make some breakfast. I got my pots on and I got my water going to make hubby Milo tea. He's still sleeping, but I'm gonna make him some Milo tea. So I'm about to make some scrambled eggs. I have everything cut up and I'm gonna make some hot dogs. So yeah, that's pretty much what I will be doing for breakfast. I was gonna make some waffles as well, but I think that's gonna be just maybe too much. Oh, let me grab some milk to put in the scrambled eggs. So I'm just gonna do the basic, and yeah, that is, I hope you guys are having a I guess a good weekend so far. A good weekend so far. I'm supposed to have my helper, but unfortunately she's sitting down over there when she said she was gonna help me. Get them properly done. You know what? I'm gonna stop using these package of ginger because this is what I usually have for my tea, these ginger package, but they have the instant honey ginger drinks, and I'm gonna stop using them because they're sweet. I find that they are sweet lately. And then you're not getting the full benefit as if you're using the raw ginger. So I'm gonna start buying more raw ginger like I used to. I guess for me, I thought it was just time consuming, so that's why I didn't do all of that. But let me see if I can prompt you guys up somewhere so I can get this thing done. Okay, well, there it goes. Oh, I guess it's a little bit hard to see.
Should I give him the big mug and then just take this one?
It doesn't matter. So okay guys, so Faith's dealing with that. I got my eggs that I am scrambling.
Should I add
condensed milk? Yeah, add the condensed milk. So what I'm just gonna do, I'm just gonna pour these in, and actually I'll just mix it. I'll just mix it right now.
the oil's kind of burning up?
Yeah. So I'm just gonna put these hot dogs in because the oil is getting a little bit testy.
Whoa!
Alright. Because it's wet. As you can see, I got my egg. You're gonna put the breads in the toaster. You can put the breads in now.
Are you gonna make those breads?
Huh?
How much?
How much what?
I didn't make nothing for Memphis as well. You probably ain't going to.
Memphis probably won't give me Memphis drink. It'll call me. I will never ever leave you lonely. Yeah, sorry guys, my battery kaput on me.
Everybody grab me.
Yeah, we're about to eat now.
I want to go
and
outside.
Probably we're just gonna hang out, watch some movies. And I gotta finish my wig thing over there. So that is what I will be doing. So yeah, I guess I'll get back to you guys in a bit.
I'm becoming Mario.
When we are all finished. Yeah, so if there's anything happening, I will get back. But other than that, yeah, see, it's cold outside.
No, it's not that cold.
Yes, it's cold.
No, it's not.
Here, this is Mario's. Put it now. Get the ketchup.
I don't want a fork.
Here.
You're drinking tea?
Yeah, aren't you surprised?
Eh?
Memphis, that's yours. He's drinking tea. Yours.
That's yours. You want to me? Dele.
Our cup's bigger than yours.
Mario, no. Mario, no. Mario, give me back the tea. Mario, give me.
That's the one that
No, give it. Yeah, Mario, give me back.
That's the one that Tammy gave her.
Ding, Mario, stop.
I go see what's wrong.
Don't touch.
The ketchup.
It's too hot. Excuse of my cup. This. Like
Is that them disgusting?
Oh, you come by.
What call it?
Oh.
Okay, me ask feet, me tiny something.
Tammy gave it to me.
Me can't get it.
What
Take
is?
it.
You need to put onion or something.
Then pick it out. Do you see what I mean? How picky is when it comes to eating?
Put onion and pepper in my food.
Listen, the next one, hush up. Because they're so disgusting. Look at me, me and Faith make sweet breakfast and the two man them in the house complaining. Sometimes. And this is why I don't want to make no breakfast for nobody. I make breakfast for myself. Let's move it up nice. So hey guys, good afternoon. It's a good afternoon. Faith, I am still in your shoes. Oh, look at that. I never thought I would be seeing the day where me and my daughter wear the same size shoes. But I guess sooner better than later, right? Hopefully her feet doesn't grow anymore. So I stole in her shoes and I'm wearing them. See you later. And me and hubby are heading out. So this is just my outfit, guys. I just got some black sandals on and yeah, a black dress and my black purse. Oh, it feels cold here. Ooh. Oh, the garage is always cold. Always cold. Do you have the key? Oh. Do you have your house key? I need to get Cut Memphis a new key since he lost it, the other one. So I don't need to bring mine? No? Okay. Alright. Yeah guys, so we are going to enjoy the beautiful weather out here. It's supposed to be 19 today. 19. Woo. Oh man. What are you packing for, your stuff up already for tomorrow? Oh. It's a little bit breezy, but not that bad. Oh yeah guys, and I just did a video on this new look. You guys like it? There's a new hair. So I did a full video on it, on how I actually did the hair, customize it and put it on. So that video will be up, I'm not sure when, but stay tuned and look out for it as well. So my battery's almost dead, guys. Oh crap. Actually, it's not that bad. It has 2 bars on it. so if you see that it dies, it's not my fault. Yeah, I'm just gonna hold it there for a second. Everybody's washing their vehicle. It'll cut right there. That's not bad. Here, this one. I'll wash up the 6. Yeah. That's why we need to get one of those things for the back. Is that the 6 or the 5? It's a 6. But it looks so small. Like, oh, you know what I'm always thinking of? Barry's X6 back home. Huh? Knock me out, but yeah, that's crazy. I'd rather walk. Wow, that one nice, eh? And he's bringing out their second vehicle now. Ah, Lord.
Bring up your second one too.
Yeah, go bring off your second one. Oh, When's that? Well, it's supposed to be, well, maybe we can go outside when we get back. Supposed to be very nice.
The people there park.
Yeah, everybody out in the park enjoying, you know, see, well, because yesterday was kind of crappy. Yeah, well, we'll come out. I look like everybody in my house pretty much seem like they would have just wake up. I need to get a different string for this. Everybody get the nice vehicle out when the weather is warm. Too bad Canada weather isn't warm all year round. It should be. Like I said, it should only snow on Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, New Year's Eve and New Year's Day, and that's it. Look at this one. Pretty, eh? Oh, I thought it was a woman that was driving, because nowadays I see a lot of women pushing sports cars. Yeah, I love like seeing women driving sports vehicle, high vehicle. I love seeing women drive that, because I'm a girl. I love me some sports car. Look, see, all of them coming out with them sports car. So yeah, if you're a woman and you love sports car, give this video a thumbs up. Because men alone, ooh, look at that, babe. Men alone think that they're the only one that should be driving sports car or motorcycle. Even a motorcycle. I love seeing females like just cruising on a motorcycle, because men just feel that all those are sports car and all that sports stuff is for them, and the fast racing and stuff. No, woman too.
No cause accident on the road.
No, we don't cause accidents. Some women are actually better drivers than men. So no man always act like you know better than everything than us. Certain things, yes, and that's why then they need to do more man to woman competition, because on a man always like, oh, you women are pretty much you guys don't, we're not considered, right, when it comes to certain things. What do you mean? Of course we could compare ourselves to you, as in like racing, cooking, yeah, because before, you know, it was always woman, it was always, oh, woman belong in the kitchen. But there's so much male chef out there that are very good chef and better than women, I must say.
Yep.
Right? And there's women out there that are mechanics and they are like speed racer drivers that are better than male, right? Then some male, I'm not saying every male, then some male, right? So you can't always look at it as a male thing or a female thing, because there's some men out there that are dads too, and they're better at like parenting, like doing the whole mommy daddy thing than the mother, their certain mother is. But unfortunately, I'm just gonna have to switch to my phone because this bloody thing is flashing already. I thought this one was full. So I left the other two are charged, and the funny thing is that they're not they are charged. Oh, look at that old one. You see the old one? Oh, you missed it behind you. And they are charged. Oh goodness. So yeah, guys, and hubby is leaving. He's leaving us tomorrow again, but that's okay. He gotta do what he gotta do. He's going away just for 1 week this time, not 2 weeks. So that's not too bad. But yeah, he's going away, so we're actually just gonna go pick up some stuff, and yeah, I'm gonna go finish cook my dinner. Dinner's pretty much almost done cook anyways, which is good. So but we figured that we're gonna come out and just drive out, me and him, get what we need to get.
There's no water in here.
No, we don't have no water in the car. There's so much water.
You have no water in here, so you can feed.
So yeah, so that's what we are doing. So I guess I will catch you guys when we reach where we're going, because this thing is gonna die. Blue sky. Oh, blue sky. We just got it, guys. So we just got it. Oh man. Well, the people then put on the AC in the store, and then in here feels cold. So I'm cold, actually wearing my dress. I be at top Mario, so I'm cold and tell me so I'm mad. Eh? How you mean it's not cold? It's not cold for you. So I'm just picking up the stuff that he wants to take with him when he goes away. So that's what he is doing. Oh my goodness. Oh, sorry guys. I can't believe the time is going so fast already. It's already 2 o'clock. It's a good thing we're pretty much almost done cook. We just have to go home, put on the rice, and just put the I need bell peppers with, and just put the meat on, and that's it. Everything is seasoned and everything, but I needed some bell peppers because I didn't have any buns. Oh Lord. Huh? What? Oh, one of them I did taste and I was like, what is it?
Eh?
Yeah, I say I did buy one of them and I tasted and I was like, what is this? This one's the one with the cheese. There's this one's a pineapple one. Yeah, man. So we switched over to the phone. So I guess the quality. Oh, I don't know how much the quality will be different. I wait there now the man and pa. Eh? But so the place that we went to go to is actually closed, so we ended up having to go elsewhere, and a lot of stuff that we wanted they didn't have. You see the transaction we just transpire. Eh? You see it? You see transaction we just transpire. People are not easy. Oh my gosh. Oh, yeah, good thing you're not getting nobody back. I'm going to do this. Okay, we solve that problem next minute. They go hunt, you know. Alright, go see. Go find, go say we have videotape them and them transaction and then come find me. Oh gosh, this time I would be sitting here because we're in May, so I'd be sitting here now and then me I say, okay, time to go shopping, cause almost them time of year there where getting summer ready and first boat ride ever actually when he went to Vancouver. When I was trying to get him to go on a boat in Jamaica, he wouldn't go on a boat.
You see the boat when I in the van?
What was wrong with the boat?
Oh,
the boat was fine.
Want a roast and something but like it fall apart.
Okay. And he wouldn't go on the boat, so hopefully maybe he'll go on this one. Right? So we got a few things planned. He couldn't do better because his colleagues never would have left his ass. And he would have been home all by himself. No, guys, we just reached home. I am tired. I didn't even fully vlog. I'm exhausted. So tired. I just want to go sleep. I need a nap. Long day. Long day it was. Where are these kids of mine? Come up here in the place so quiet. So we are finally home. Home sweet home. Feeling tired, but at least a good thing. It said it was supposed to go up to 19 today, and it definitely did because the sun is up and it is on point. The sun turn up. Can't say turn down, it turn up. Oh, and I got a vlog to edit. I haven't even started doing that as yet, but I think I'm gonna take a little call it a little puss nap. Right, look at the difference, but I love it. Look at that. And see? Perfect video quality lighting. But oh god. Summer, the girl still gotta have her blanket on her couch, but when we're ready, it's just kinda up and under the blanket. But yeah guys, so we're probably just gonna relax for the rest of the day. We're gonna go outside, but I don't know what we have planned, if we're still gonna end up going out. I just need to take a nap because your girl is back to school this week. So yeah, I'm just here. So I'll get back to you guys when I guess I'm finished looking about dinner. Yeah. So I'll be back when I'm about to finish make dinner. I'll check in with you. Yeah guys, so we are here snuggling on the couch. What do you mean? I just put on the rice and we are making beef for dinner. So rice and peas and beef for dinner. So we're just here watching. You want dinner to bring with you? Yeah, that's why I made sure I put on enough rice. And I cook 2 things of beef instead of 1. So you will have enough to bring with you. I was gonna make curry beef, but I was like, I don't know. So I was like, I'll just bounce to it. So that's what we're doing. We're actually about to head back out to the store again because Mr. Williams forgot that there are certain treats that he wanted.
Stop the light for me. Are you the go? You want to go here?
Excuse you? Okay, so you don't need the stuff them to bring with you then. Don't tell me one got door. Well, it's nice outside, so and when him one got door, me usually don't want to go to the door because it's cold outside. So take advantage of when the weather's nice. It's what, 19 today, right? So why not take advantage of it and go do what I have to do. I actually was able to get another vlog edit, which is good. I gotta try and be more consistent with my editing so I am not falling behind because life is about to get a whole lot hectic again. So I want to make sure that as I vlog and I'm finished for the day, I try to edit that same day or the day right after, just so I can make sure it's done. I don't have to worry about it because else I'm gonna start falling behind on my editing because I have so much videos, and I even found clips of certain stuff I put up. I found clips of it, but I just delete them because I was like, where was this when I was looking for it when I was editing? So, but we both took a nap and we just got up and the house is hot. That's disgusting.
What is the name of the?
Oh. Why? How comes he's able to do that?
Oh my God.
Eh?
Bruce Almighty.
Oh, it's Bruce Almighty. Oh, okay. So, yeah. So that is what we're doing. Oh, my kids are upstairs as usual. They seem to live up there. So, I got my rice, my meats going here. Just cooking down. That bad boy is steaming. And I got my rice and peas almost there and ready to go. So, but I had to close up some of the blinds because the sun is getting in here and it's getting so hot. Look, this man looks like he's going to go sell juice. The amount of juice that he has. And then he got his little, what do you call it, his doggy bag, his snack bag here. So these are just some of the stuff that he's bringing with him that he's going to be taking with him. Because, oh babes, I think your friend probably live up by where you're going, yeah? Why is your wallet on the floor? Yeah, you're gonna be, that's where he is, he's up there. That's outside. So, yeah. Babes, really?
What? Sorry. Yes, really?
Yeah.
Yes. Let it go.
I don't think we're doing much for the day. We're just spending it together because Mr. Williams here is leaving us, so it's just gonna be me and the kids for a week. But yeah, well, hopefully it's nice this week, so maybe we can get out and go get some stuff done. Yay! Hey guys, so I am back. I am actually just editing a video, almost finished, and dinner is all done. So I got my nice beef there cooked and my rice and peas. So I'm about to dish dinner and pretty much call it a day. This one went and got himself some more stuff because I got him like addicted to these cakes things here. So that's what he's been having. And I just picked up some little stuff, snacks and stuff for the kids for school because they needed some treats. So that's what we just went and did. So he has all the stuff now that he needs to pack away. So yeah, I'm about to dish dinner and then we're just gonna eat, and yeah, that's pretty much it. We're not doing anything else for the rest of the day. So I'm just going, yeah, we're just gonna end up watching a movie and just hang out as a family. So that's about it. Oh, let me get these stuff. See, I still haven't fully packed out my house yet. I was just downstairs in the garage and I have so much stuff that I still need to pack out. Upstairs it's hot up there. It's crazy. I don't know how it got so hot. Even when I even have the window open. But if it's hot like that, boy, I don't know how the summer is going to go. And it was only, oh sorry, 19 degrees. So yeah, I'm gonna wake up early tomorrow because I gotta take the car. So I gotta go drive Babes to work for him to pick up the work truck, and then they're gonna head out to where he needs to go. So then I gotta be up. I gotta leave out by like what, 4:30? 4:30 a.m. he's gotta leave out by to make sure he's going where he needs to go and to pick up the company vehicle. But I gotta go with him because then he's gonna take their car and then I gotta take it. So while he's gone, because they're driving the company vehicle to where they're going. So I gotta go do that. So I have an early morning and then I have so much appointments I have running around to go do tomorrow. So tomorrow is going to be a busy one. I need to go get me some more scrubs, but I haven't even got those as yet. But I have time for that. But enough rambling on. I just wanted to come by and just tell you guys good night. I hope you guys had a blessed weekend and we will catch y'all in the next one. Bye guys.
Simple things are your blessing. You better notice your blessing.
Passing, tell them say you love them for you see them in a coffin. When days bad days, you know say you with up. Me woulda trade house and car and shed up. Just forget 1 more minute with my brother. So you get up, spend time together.